Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your comment strategy using LinkedIn Alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the home page where you can see your feed. In the top right corner, locate the search bar. Type in keywords related to your niche or topics of interest. Once the search results appear, click on the content filter. This will refine the results to show only posts, articles, and comments from others. Look for relevant discussions where your target audience engages. Open a post that catches your attention. Scroll through the comments to see the ongoing conversations. Take note of frequently asked questions or common themes. Now, go back to the search bar. Enter your search terms again and click on Create Alert. A pop-up will appear, asking you to choose the frequency of your alerts, such as daily or weekly. Select whether you want notifications to be sent through email or LinkedIn. Save your alert settings. Wait for your alerts to arrive as per your preferences. When you receive an alert, check the new posts and comments related to your interests. Analyze the engagement on these posts, focusing on likes, shares, and comments. Identify which types of comments and questions garner the most interaction. Use this insight to refine your own comment strategy. Engage with the most relevant posts by leaving insightful comments. Monitor the responses you receive to your comments. Adjust your future comments based on audience feedback and engagement patterns. Review your alerts regularly to stay updated on trending topics. Continue refining your strategy as you gather more data from your alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.